The Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, MAAUN Kano, has named its School of Social and Management Sciences after the former Vice President Atiku Abubakar for his contributions to educational development in the country. Atiku, who unveiled the building on Wednesday, 31st August 2022, was accompanied by many political bigwigs from his party. Speaking shortly after the event, the founder and chairman governing council Maryam Abacha American University, Professor Abubakar said that the decision to name the school after Atiku Abubakar was based on his contributions to education as well as the passion he has for the sector. According to him, the former vice president was the first person to set the ball rolling by establishing a private American university in Nigeria. Professor Gorzo also noted that the establishment of Maryam Abacha American University of Niger was inspired by American University of Nigeria, Yola, hence the decision to honor the former vice president. He noted that before the establishment of MAAUN Maradi, there were few nursing graduates in northern Nigeria, adding that the university has significantly increased the number of nurses in the country. Professor Gorzo said he would continue to emulate the vice president by providing quality and accessible education to the teeming number of youth for social and economic development of the country. Earlier in his remarks, former Vice President Atiku Abubakar, who is the presidential candidate of People's Democratic Party, thanked the founder and the entire management of MAAUN for honoring him. He congratulated the founder for taking the courage to establish the university, which operates with the American system of education that produces the best and powerful leaders in the world. In his welcome address, the president of MAAUN, Professor Muhammad Israr, thanked the former Vice President Atiku Abubakar and his entourage for the visit. At the occasion, a 1-minute silence was observed in honor of the late humanitarian icon and philanthropist Hajia Rakiatu Hassan Musi. Among the top politicians that accompanied Atiku during the visit include former Vice President Namadi Sambo, former National Chairman of PDP Yoshia Ayu, PDP Vice Presidential Candidate Ifeanyi Okowa, Sokoto State Governor Amiru Waziri Tambuwal, Senator Bello Hayatu Gorzo, and Senator Dino Malaye. Others were former Governor of Sokoto, Jigawa, and Kano, Alhaji Atahiru Dalhatu Bafarawa, Alhaji Sule Lamido, and Senator Malam Ibrahim Shekarau, respectively.